Hello friends, today's topic 10 stocks to buy. ICICI Securities report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The new union government is expected to implement various social welfare schemes which result in more money in the hands of people. The last 2 to 3 months, the demand for FMCG products has improved, especially in rural areas. As per an article in Economic Times newspaper, ICICI Securities has given buy rating to 10 stocks in the consumer sector and it expects good returns in the next 12 months. ICICI Securities picks number 1, Bajaj Consumer, approximate price 264, target price 300, upside 14%. 2, Godrej Consumer, approximate price 1400, target price 1650, upside 18%. 3, Honasa Consumer, Mama Earth, approximate price 432, target price 550, plus 27%. 4, Jyoti Labs, approximate price 443, target price 520, upside 17%. 5, Marico, approximate price 620, target price 750, upside 21%. Going further, Messrs. Bector's Food, approximate price 1400, target price 1620, upside 16%. 7, Tata Consumer, approximate price 1116, target price 1360, upside 22%. 8, Cello World, approximate price 865, target price 1060, upside 23%. 9, Go Fashion, approximate price 1068, target price 1200, upside 12%. 10, Jubilant Foodworks, approximate price 531, target price 620 and upside 17%. Many of the consumer stocks have underperformed compared to the stocks in many other sectors. Hence, if you research well, there could be an opportunity for investors. Do technical analysis and check when you get a buy indication for short term. Some of the government plans will be announced in the union budget in mid-July. We need to see how it will impact various stocks and sectors the next 1 year. End of the video, here is the question. Which consumer or FMCG stock do you have in your portfolio? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.